What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Abel, and I'm back with another video. And for today's video, guys, we're gonna go ahead and break down some very important information, right? Because we're gonna talk about why most traders truly do not succeed when it comes to trading Forex. Because it's a fact, guys, that majority of people do not end up seeing consistent results. There's actually a 90-90-90 rule that I like to talk about, where 90% of traders lose 90% of their account, usually within the first 90 days of them actually trading, right? There's specific reasons, guys, why that actually happens. And that's exactly what we're gonna talk about today. Before we even get into that, guys, I gotta go ahead and give a big shout out to the Noti Gang. We have Noti Gang member right here, Noti Gang member right there, right? If you want to be a part of Noti Gang, if you want to see your name show up on one of these videos, all you gotta do, guys, is go right down below, comment Noti Gang, make sure that you're subscribed, and also make sure that notifications are turned on so that you are aware of when these videos are going to be dropped. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this banger. All right, family, so the first reason why most people do not end up succeeding in trading is very simple, is that they lack mentorship. They come on here, they try to trade without no type of guidance, without no mentorship, without anything, family. If you guys truly want to go ahead and speed up your process, speed up your results, the best way to do that, guys, is by actually seeking out mentorship. It's very valuable, guys, when you have somebody in your corner that actually has the results, that actually understands exactly what it takes. Remember this, guys. Amateurs learn from their own mistakes, while professionals learn from other people's mistakes. I say this all the time. The shortcut to success truly is through mentorship. So lack of mentorship is a big reason why most traders do not end up succeeding in this space. Now, the next reason why most people do not succeed in trading is because they do not take risk management as seriously as they should. Risk management, guys, is there to keep you here trading long term, because we understand that losses are actually very normal. It's a part of the game. You cannot avoid losses, guys. So if you understand that losses are going to happen, then you also need to understand how to protect your capital as much as possible. The number one rule in trading Forex, guys, that I like to say, it's not about making money, it's about capital preservation. Are you able to protect your capital to the best of your ability? That's gonna allow you to continue trading for the long term. But the thing is, most people, guys, are so focused on the now, they wanna make money now, so they're over leveraging their account as much as possible. And that's not what's gonna keep you here long term, right? Instead of focusing about now, start working on ways, guys, that's gonna allow you to be here 10 years, 15 years, 20 years down the road. Long-term consistency is more important than these short-term gains that people are absolutely seeking. Now, there's three aspects, guys, to risk management that I love talking about. The first aspect, guys, is your risk capital. Which your risk capital is pretty much all the money that you actually decide to trade with as a whole. So if you deposit $1,000 in your trading account, then that is the risk capital that you are utilizing to trade with. Now, the second aspect to risk management is going to be your risk per trade, right? How much are you willing to risk for every single trade that you take? Every trader is going to have a different preference when it comes to this, but the professional traders, guys, are going to tell you to risk very little, a fraction of your risk capital. So for me, I like to stay between the 1% to 2% range, because I understand that when losses come, when a losing streak might happen, I know that if I'm only losing 1% to 2%, that's really not going to affect me mentally, right? And we have to get to a point, guys, where we're trading in a way and we're losing such small amounts that we do not get emotional about what the next trade can do, or emotional about trading as a whole. So risk per trade is very important, and I need you guys to create a set of rules on what you're willing to risk for every single trade. And that's an amount, guys, that you're comfortable losing in case a loss does end up happening, right? And the last part to risk management that I like to talk about is your maximum risk exposure, right? Your overall risk exposure. How much are you willing to expose your account to potential risk in any given day? I do not risk no more than 4 to 5% any given day, right? So if I have a few positions open, guys, then at the most, those positions, if they all were to lose, I would lose maybe the max will be 4 to 5%. If I lose 4 to 5% for that day, I'm done trading for the day. In fact, I always like to be very disciplined when it comes to this. So if I lose 4 to 5% in any day, I might even be done for the next couple days. Again, it's all about capital preservation and also protecting your mindset, guys, when you're trading, right? So if you really practice those three things and truly understand those three aspects, of risk management, then it could or it should put you in a much better position moving forward. Right now, the third reason why I believe that most traders do not succeed is because they have a lack of emotional control. Guys, as traders, especially in this lane where there is a potential to lose our hard-earned money, we're going to be dealing with a whirlwind of emotions. But these emotions, guys, we have to be able to control and manage them. We're not going to be able to completely eliminate them like a lot of traders say. You can't eliminate emotions. We're human, but you can control them. And I'm talking about emotions like greed, fear, doubt, all these negative emotions. But I'm also even speaking about positive emotions like excitement, because these emotions, guys, no matter if they're negative or positive, can cause you to do things that you're going to possibly regret in the future. So you have to get in the habit, guys, of managing and controlling your emotions if you truly want to see success in this field. Now, the next thing, guys, is that most people just do not have a consistent strategy that they're working every single day towards perfecting. A lack of a strategy is going to cause you to be emotional. A lack of a strategy is going to cause you guys to really get in your feelings. A strategy, an actual strategy, guys, is there telling you exactly when to get in, exactly when to get out, exactly how much you're going to be risking, how you're going to manage your trades, how you're going to manage your positions, right? Your strategy is there to guide you. So if you do not have a consistent strategy that you're working on every single day, then you are going to struggle as well. You have to find a strategy that you're comfortable with, and you have to just continue working towards it, continue building onto that strategy until eventually it becomes profitable for you. And then the last reason, and probably one of the most important reasons why most people do not succeed, is because they lack discipline. Everything that I'm telling you guys today, right now, right? If you go ahead and you start to work on it, yet you're not disciplined enough to follow all these things, then you're still going to struggle. It's very easy to do something, but it's also very easy to not do it. Especially when you're rushing the process, it's extremely easy for you guys to lose your emotional control. It's extremely easy for you guys to not follow a consistent strategy. It's extremely easy for you guys to lack risk management. But that discipline is what you guys need to work to. Most traders just lack discipline. And if you can really get your discipline down packed, then that's going to allow you to put everything else I just spoke to. You need to focus on discipline more than anything. I say this all the time, guys, especially in the beginning stage of your trading career. It's more important for you to be disciplined than it is to actually focus on making money. Because there's going to be times, guys, where we might want to go against our rules and be undisciplined because we might say, oh man, this is actually going to make us money. Guys, you have to focus on being disciplined than focusing on the money, because those disciplines, if you can actually be disciplined, then the money is going to be a byproduct of you actually being disciplined. So if you guys truly understand these 5 aspects of why most traders do not succeed, and you actually start working towards improving on these things, then you yourself can eventually become a full-time, consistently profitable trader. But even that, guys, it's still not going to be a walk in the park. This is going to take a lot of time and energy for you to actually master. But once you are aware of the things that cause most traders to not succeed, you can also have the awareness to change it if that's what you're doing, so that you can start to do the things that will allow you to actually succeed. So family, those are 5 things that I truly believe is what's killing most traders in this journey. Now, if you know that any of these things that I spoke about today resonates with you and what you're dealing with, then go ahead and drop down the one thing, guys, that's stopping you right now from truly growing into the trader that you can truly become. Family, everything that you're going through is not just you. I went through that over the past 6 years of my career. My first 2 years was very rough. I made no money. I had no withdrawals. I had no results my first 2 years. And so every single thing that I spoke about today, I speak about it because I experienced it. So I know that most traders are going to experience it as well. But again, the key word here is awareness. You now have the awareness to understand exactly where you're lacking. So now it's just about having the discipline to go ahead and change that. And so family, I appreciate you guys for watching this video today. I hope you guys were able to get some value. Shout out to the Noti Gang once again for being a part of the family, right? If you want to be a part of the Noti Gang, make sure to go ahead and turn those post notifications on, right? Make sure to comment Noti Gang in the comments down below. Make sure to be subscribed, and you're going to be in the running for free giveaways and free one-on-one sessions sometime in the future. All right, family, until next time, I'll see you later. Let's get it.